Hello, my name is Stephen Gottlieb, and I made up the New York State Geometry Regent video. At this point, I would just love for you to sit back and view a sample demonstration that I prepared. That way you get to see a little bit of my teaching style. First problem I'm going to work on is geometry problem. We have this triangle ABC, and we want to talk about the length, the three lengths. We want to know which is the smallest length, which is the middle side length, which is the longest side of that triangle. Well, if you look at this argument here, what I'm about to say is going to be obvious. This is the diameter. It's the longest side. This side, which is parallel, or this line which is parallel, it's shorter than the diameter. This line, which is parallel to the other two, is the shortest of all of them I've drawn so far. This side is the shortest of all four of them. The distance from the origin, the first line is 0. Or from the center, I meant to say. The next one is maybe 1 inch away. The next line is 2 inches away. The third line is 4 inches away. The furthest you are from the center, the shortest you're going to be. The closer you are to the center, the closest a chord is to the center, the longest it will be. Now these three sides, AC, AB, and CB, they're not parallel, but we're given, and this point here is the center. We're given the distance from the center to each of these lines. Now the center is a point, and here's a line. What do we mean by distance? Do we measure that distance, or this distance, or this rather long distance? The answer is none of the ones I've stated so far. It's the distance that meets the line at a right angle. That's the distance between this point and that line. That is why when I measured distance to CB, I went at a right angle, and it's 2. AC, I went to it at a right angle. It's 4. AB, I went to it at a right angle, and I measured that line, and it was good old 6. So the line closest to the center is the longest chord. This is the longest chord, CB. The next one is the one that's 4 away. That's their size right before CB. It is AC in length. And then 6, that's their furthest away. This line is the furthest away of all the three lines on the circle. It's the furthest from the center. And that's AB. So we know that the length of our line segment AB, or chord AB, is less than the measure for the length of chord AC, which in turn is less than the length of line segment CB. What you could have done alternatively is say AB is the furthest away, 6, and then 4, and then 2. And opposite, or the length 6 is associated with AB. 6 from the center is AB. 4 from the center, that's line segment AC. And then 2 from the center is this line CB or BC. Put it from longest to shortest. And then opposite, you put the corresponding sides that are 6 units away, 4 units away, 2 units away. And 6 is bigger than 4 is less than 2. We put the opposite sign. So again, closest to the center is the long side, furthest from the center. This is pretty far from the center, it's pretty short. This is close to the center. It's pretty long. Okay, that completes the sample demonstration for the New York State Geometry region. I thank you for viewing my video, and most of all, I wish you great success on your region exam itself. Thank you.